you're interested in mechanical trades, the trades that keep things moving, we have heavy equipment technician, automotive technician, industrial metal fabrication, which includes welding and machine shop, as well as power engineering. In our automotive technician program, right off the start, students learn basic shop skills, and in that first part of the course, you'd learn things like tire repair, regular maintenance items. Moving on through the course, you would do electrical repairs, scan tool diagnostics, engine repair, get into powertrains and brakes. So just a well-rounded program. So we cover everything that's in the level 1 apprenticeship program, plus enhancements because of the extra time that we have. Graduates from automotive technician program, certainly the most common career that they would start in would be continuing on through their apprenticeship as an automotive technician. But that can often be a stepping stone into service writer, service management, business ownership. In heavy equipment technician, you'll develop your skills in servicing, diagnosing, and repairing agricultural, heavy duty, and transport equipment, gaining practical skills in overall machine repair and also in individual component repair. Some of the learn by doing activities in the heavy equipment technician program would be, off the start, some orientation and shop skills. So we teach a lot of safety to keep you safe when you do go out to work, as well as courses on engines and support systems for the engines, powertrains, brakes. So lots of hands-on activity there, as well as electrical systems. So just kind of a well-rounded introduction to the field. From heavy equipment, again, you could go into heavy equipment technician, which would be mining, construction equipment, those types of fields. Agricultural equipment technician, so any of the farm dealerships across the province, or once you've got that 4th level or your journey person's certificate, you could travel across the country and work anywhere in Canada with those, as well as truck transport would be an option. From any one of those trades, there are opportunities to go off and work as a service writer, service manager, business owner. Manufacturers quite often hire heavy equipment technicians or ag equipment technicians as service representatives to represent their product. In industrial metal fabrication, you'll get a solid grounding in theory before working with a variety of machine tools, welding processes, and metalworking equipment. So industrial metal fabrication, the course is broken into 2 sections. Now you can start in September and take the full 11-month program where you take a machine shop course, which is 7 months from the start. And then on the tail end of it, there's a 4-month welding and metal fabrication course. Or you can opt to take just the first part, the machine shop course, or just the back end, the 4-month of metal fabrication and welding. So in the machine shop portion of the industrial metal fab course, you'd work with milling machines, lathes, and a variety of other machine tools, so anything that you would see in a machine shop. And then in the welding portion, or the metal forming and welding portion of the course, you'll work with different welding processes, and then a variety of metal forming tools, so shears and brakes and drill presses and bandsaws and tools like that. Jobs can be in a variety of industries. So there's some manufacturing companies in Manitoba that hire graduates, both for machining and for the metal forming and welding portions of their manufacturing work. There's also repair work. So sometimes people are building new things. Sometimes people are fixing the things that have been broken, right? So sometimes that stuff needs to be welded back together, or custom parts manufactured and fabricated to repair equipment if a replacement piece isn't available. So across a fairly wide section of the repair and manufacturing industry, there is a need for machinists, and welders. Power engineers are in high demand, and not just in Manitoba, but all across the country. So if you're self-motivated, responsible, and enjoy technical challenges, this program will prepare you to take the standardized power engineering examination, and this will allow you to start your career as a power engineer. With our power engineering program, we have it set up so that up front you do some theory straight up front, and then throughout the year the practicum is 2 days a week. So you're in class 3 days a week, you're out on practicum 2 days a week. Anywhere that has a large steam boiler needs a power engineer. Large hockey rinks, hospitals, and then industrial or commercial type chemical processing plants, the oil and gas industry. So there's tons of opportunity to head off in different directions after the course. Assiniboine's a good place to take your power engineering because we have that blended approach where you're getting your practicum kind of at the same time that you're getting your education, and our pass rate has been very high when students go to write that standardized exam. And with having work practicum built in, lots of times that leads to future employment for the students leaving the program.